Hello, busy mom. How are you today? And today I thought I'd talk to you about how to get your teenage daughter to get her room organized when she won't listen to you. You know how it goes. What kid wants to listen to their parent? They don't want to do what you want them to do. They just want to have fun. Now, what's your goal for this summer? If you're like for your daughter, if you're like most parents that I've talked to, it's like, oh, I just want her to get her room organized. I can't stand it. I can't walk in there. There's clothes all over the place. They're on the bed, they're on the floor. I don't know what's clean. I don't know what's dirty. All I want her to do is organize her room. And and you tell her that, and she's like, yeah, right, Mama. I'll get to it. I'll get to it. That's the standard answer. I'll get to it. Hey, Tracy, it's so nice to see you here. And she's just sitting there. I'll get to it. I'll get to it. I'll get you to it, she tells you. And she runs out the door to wherever she wants to go. And you're thinking, oh man, if I could just get her to clean that room and hopefully we could keep it that way and get her to organize it and put everything where it belongs. And you're thinking to yourself, we come September, we're going to be going through clothes again, like at the end of August. Beginning of middle August, let's say, we're going to be going through the clothes to make sure they fit, because over the summer all the kids have a growth spurt, or what they liked last year is not cool this year because you can't wear that to school. Oh my gosh, no, no, no. Or if you're in elementary school and now you're going to high school, it's like, Mom, no, I'm not wearing that. I need a whole new wardrobe. And you're like, oh, I could just get her to organize her room. Now, where is she in the stage of organizing? Is she telling you, I'll get to it, I'll get to her? Mom, it's not that bad. Where is she? Now, there's no excuse right now. School's out. School's out. Summer's here. Some days it's even too hot to even want to be outside. It's like, oh, with the heat index. And I've said it before and I'll say it again. I always tell my friends, if you tell my son to do something, he'll do it. If I tell him to do it, he'll look at me like I'm nuts. He won't want to do it. And I don't know if you have that same problem, but parents never want to listen. I mean, kids never want to listen to their parents. But yet another parent could say something to your child and they'll do it. And that isn't the case. That is so much the case in most of the relationships, because the parent's always there. The kids always say, my mom's nagging me. My mom's nagging me. That's what parents do. We're just trying to teach them right from wrong and get them on the right path. Well, if you got a daughter that's going to high school, you got a daughter that's going to college, getting them organized and get them to believe in it and understand why it's important, that's the key. Because we want to set them up for success. And whether it's your kid, my kid, all we want is to see the kids achieve, go further, find their passion, get the work done. So, now, this is where I can help you. I have a 30-day program for teens, teen girls, ages 13 to 18. It's going to start July 11th. And what is it about? It's about teaching them about organization, getting them ready, getting up their self-esteem, their confidence. And we want to see them achieve. We want to see them thrive. We don't want them to be afraid going into New Year's school, afraid to make friends. Where in this group they would make some friends. We have weekly chores for them to do. We will get that done. And I will hold them accountable. There's going to be weekly trainings. and we're going to make it fun. Now, I don't have a lot of time today, but you go ahead and just imagine how you would feel if your daughter got her room organized this summer and she got in her closet and did a closet audit and everything else. How would you feel? You'd be so thrilled. And I know you'd be showing that room off to your family and friends and telling her, oh, please, 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 just put it away. It looks so nice. Just keep it that way. Please, please, please. And whether a daughter wants to admit it or not, at the end, her self-esteem has gone up because of this little differences we're going to make in the girl. And she has a more courage now to face high school, to face college, make new friends, because we're going to bring all of that in to organization. Now, if you're interested and you want to book a quick coffee chat with me, comment yes in the comments below, or shoot me a DM, because this is going to start on July 11th, and I don't want you to miss it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Thank you, ladies, everybody, Tracy, for being here. And let's get organized. Bye. Thank you.